Okay, so this is what I want to show you. This is called Z fighting. This is where like two objects are fighting for the same location. And it usually happens where the low poly and the high poly are supposed to change. It's a way of handling level of distance. And it'll happen a lot in areas where there's lots of noise. And you can usually notice other weird glitches. Like this is a spot where you can see they took the tops of our trees. Anyways, so I'm now going to switch over to that low poly area by moving the high poly object, which I can interact with, out of the way, leaving just the low poly. Okay, and now we're going to go to the low poly area.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to notice is the sound cutting out. That's normal. And we're going to go for a little walk. Going to feel kind of weird as we walk further and further from the area, our point of view that we're supposed to be staying at. It's going to get mushier and mushier, and it's going to get harder and harder to breathe for you, because well, you're not supposed to be leaving that area. Things are going to start to deteriorate more. The air quality is going to get worse. Sound's going to get dampened. Everything's just going to start to fall apart. And if you can hang on, let's keep going. I'll show you some stuff. Oop. You can walk right through that stuff. It's fine. Don't gotta worry about getting hit by these cars or anything. They're frozen, as you can see. And walk right in the streets. Let's just keep going. Look at that. This smeared, empty world. You can keep going as far as you want, or you can turn back. Just touch the same area, and you should be fine.